These keto oatmeal cookies are as easy to make as a cup of coffee. Let's go! Not instant coffee, I mean using a coffee machine where you would grind your beans first. Hello, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. A little about this recipe: do not be tempted to use sesame seeds. Because we are using 140 grams as our main ingredient, sesame seeds works out to be really high in carbs. So if you want to use a type of nut, that would be awesome. If you generally don't use sweetener in your diet, this recipe can be made without using sweetener, so it will become a 2-ingredient cookie recipe. As far as taste is concerned, what do they taste like, Christopher?
Maple brown sugar oatmeal.
They're actually really delicious. Set your oven to 355 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and let's get into the recipe now. You'll need a total of 140 grams of nuts. You can use one type, and I've got two types here because walnuts and pecan nuts are the lowest in carbs, so I'm using those two today. Grind your nuts down to as fine as you can get it, then add them to a bowl. Add 50 grams of golden or brown swerve or monk fruit sweetener to a bowl, 1 egg white, and add your nuts. At this point, if you wish, you can spice it up by adding maybe pumpkin pie spice. I'm leaving mine plain. Using a fork, mix this until it's fully combined. Your mixture will come together and look like this. Next, flatten and shape them into a cookie shape. Now bake your oatmeal cookies for 8 to 10 minutes. This is what your oatmeal cookies look like when they've been cooled. And this is what they look like on the inside. I'll break one for you. It's a bit hard on the outside but very soft on the inside. Well, I hope you get to try this recipe and enjoy oatmeal cookies on keto. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.